plot of ground, clips a ruined chapel round, buttressed with a grassy mound, where day and night and day go by and bring no touch of human sound. Washing off the lonely seas, shaking off the garden trees, piping off the salted breeze. Day and night and day go by to the endless tune of these. For when as winds and waters keep a hush more dead than any sleep, still morns to stiller evenings creep, and day and night and day go by, here the silence is most deep. The empty ruins lapsed again into nature's wide domain, sow themselves with seed and grain, as day and night and day go by and hoard June's sun and April's rain. Here fresh funeral tears were shed, now the graves are all so dead, and suckers from the ash tree spread, while day